In today's video, I'm going to talk about why smart investors get their real estate license. Coming up next. While a real estate license isn't a necessity for all investors, some find it an essential part of their investment strategy. Let's talk about 5 reasons why this might be a smart move on your real estate journey. Welcome back. I'm Joe Homs. I've been a broker, investor, and mentor for over 40 years. I made this channel for the new and experienced investor, those who want to create the life they've always wanted through real estate. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Reason number 1 is MLS access. Although it's not great to have MLS access right now because most properties that are put on the MLS are literally inundated with offers. I actually put an offer on a property from the MLS the other day. The agent emailed me back. It was an all-cash offer, no contingencies. I believe it started at $700. My offer was $750. She said she received 88 offers. 44 of those offers were all cash, and she was responding to the all cash offers. So in today's market, having access to the MLS will give you the information that you need as a real estate agent, but may not be as valuable as you might think. Number 2, relationships. Now, these are the relationships that you build up with other agents, other investors, but mostly we're talking about being an agent. So you're building relationships with other agents. Now, these agents may have some deals that you may want, okay? And I don't have a problem with another agent has a deal if they want to represent me in that transaction, which is what they're looking for. They're looking to represent the seller and they're looking to represent the buyer because they have a dual commission on that front. I'm looking for the deals. That's where I make my money. So building relationship with other agents and letting them know you can represent me in the transaction. You just need to find me a good property that I can flip and make some good money at the end of the day. Number 3, real estate industry education. When you are a member of a local board of realtors, it's really kind of their job to educate you as an agent. Other than your brokerage that you're with. Now, I'm with Pellego. I'm the broker of Pellego, and our focus is investors, investor agents, and so that's kind of our focus and our training. But we also do traditional real estate as well. So if you wanted to learn how to be a traditional real estate agent, work with buyers and sellers, we do that training as well. But the local board of realtors really takes a lot of that burden on for the brokerage in having weekly trainings, monthly trainings, all these type of trainings that are there. And honestly, after COVID, everything went online. So most of this stuff is through Zoom and it's still online. Number 4, minimizing risk. It's always great to have somebody who has that experience kind of really watching your back. Okay, so if you're a brand new agent, your broker is going to be watching everything that you're doing. I ask my brand new agents to send me the offers before they send them out so I can take one quick look at it, which takes me literally 10 to 15 seconds to look at an offer to make sure it's correct and have them send it out instead of maybe having some errors in there. So it's always good to have somebody looking over your shoulder until you learn the entire process. Number 5. Early access to properties. You're going to get a realtor key, which is a special key and a lockbox that you can access the property through that lockbox, get the key out and go in. So you're going to be one of the first ones to look at it. If you're having to call a real estate agent, maybe they're not ready to show it to you, maybe they can't show it to you, you bypass all that stuff being a real estate agent. You have access to it right away, gets on the market, you want to run out there and take a look at it, and then throw an offer in as quick as possible. Hopefully you're dealing with an agent that is inexperienced and the offer is very attractive. He presents it to his client and his client says, that's it. This is the one I want. I don't want to wait for anything else. and you have yourself a deal because you went out there quickly because you were an agent and you had access. Are there any other reasons why investors should get their real estate license? Let me know in the comments below. There are many benefits and something to consider if you want to get an edge on your investing career. If you're new to investing and want to see one of our triple-digit flips, click on this video right here. You'll love how this one turned out. Feel free to reach out with any questions. I'm here to help.